Just so you know how serious I am,
What's that?
Santa's cell phone number.
How'd you get that?
I know someone who knows someone who knows an elf. And if any of you acts up, so help me, I will call Santa and I will tell him you want socks for Christmas.
To act up. To behave badly. To act in a way different from that which is normal or expected. To not work as it should. To fail to function properly. Examples.
Well, when a kid like Johnny acts up in my class. My allergies are acting up again.
Well, it is your lucky day because, Missy, Dr. Dad has everything you need.
I need her leading missions. I got an old injury acting up. Not sure what my timetable is exactly.
Oh, for the love of flapjacks.
Is it cool in here to you?
Yes, a little bit.
I think the thermostat is acting
It's a
up again.
stupid thermostat. That thing's a catastrophe.
What you doing?
I am jonesing for a cup of coffee, but this stupid burner is acting up again.
Need a little caffeine fix?
Big time.
And if any of you acts up, I will call Santa and I will tell him you want socks for Christmas.
My allergies are acting up again.
I think the thermostat is acting
It's a
up again.
stupid thermostat.
I got an old injury acting up.